Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Now, the private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, is making public its strategy to boost business for the next 2 years. PSOJ President Keith Duncan outlined the strategies at a press briefing yesterday. The private sector is taking matters into its own hands where certain business-related issues are concerned. It has outlined its plans for the next 2 years. Top of the agenda, removing barriers to trade.
And if we really want to be a country that really grows our exports in niche areas, then we really have to get our trading across borders. It is so expensive to process for export. It's too difficult to import your inputs. And therefore, it's an area that we need to really focus around.
The PSOJ president says although significant progress has been made where tax collection is concerned, there's still more work to be done. He made the point while highlighting the broader issue of doing business as another strategic focus for the organization.
We're above the Caribbean Latin American average, but there are areas that we continue to lag. We believe that the national ID system will go a far way in addressing the ease of doing business for both the public and private sector, but we will deal with that in a great more detail later.
Next to that, the private sector has pledged to put more effort in getting investments into the country.
We need to get these pools of capital into hard direct investments. So therefore, we will be focused around how do we enhance investments and how do we create the environment conducive for greater investments for medium and large firms. And an area that we need to focus around is access to finance for small and medium enterprises.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.74, the Canadian dollar $104.69. The pound sterling is going for $174.93, while the euro sells for $151.22. The JSE index lost 6,748 points today, while the junior market index gained 15 points. Among the winners were Portland JSX, Dolphin Cove, SSL Venture Capital, iCreate, and Lascomat Distributors. On the losing side were Salada Foods, Blue Power Group, Wisynco Group, Consolidated Bakeries, and Scotia Group Jamaica. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.